My name is Darryl Kirkland, and I'm principal of Orangeville District Secondary School here in Orangeville, and it's been such a great experience to be a community principal. I think almost everyone in town has graduated from ODSS, and there's an ODSS bear, so it's so great to serve at that school and to hear all the stories of people in the community about their experience. I was also principal at the other high school, Westside Secondary School, for a number of years too, and it was a great high school as well. You know, when you get a diagnosis like that, you're just overwhelmed, and the first thoughts are always about your kids and your family, and what your family's going to go through and how they are, and just figuring things out. But I was very lucky they were able to do the surgery the next day. The care in the hospital was excellent. The nurses came to check on you all the time. They were very kind, 100% professional all the time, and even the food was great. I couldn't even believe the cafeteria food was good, and I actually look forward to eating it. I got to experience a couple other hospitals in our area, Brampton and Sunnybrook, and how they handle chemotherapy. And just because the numbers of people, they have to handle it very differently than they do in Orangeville. So when you go into a place like Sunnybrook, the Odette Center, you get a number, and so you might be number 100, and on a TV screen it'll tell you number 100, go for your blood test, and it'll tell you number 100, go to bed, 72 for chemo. And so just because of the volume of people, I could see why they have to do that, but you're really just a number in their system, and that's no one's fault, it's just the way it is there. We're here in Orangeville, there's two nurses that are there all the time. It's always the same two nurses. They do anything for you. If you need a prescription, they call the cancer doctor to get you the prescription. They check on your symptoms all the time. They know what everyone's going through in a personal way, and their care is excellent. They just are so professional and so kind with everyone in the room. They try and match you up times with other people so you'll know them and get to know them and share stories and work things out. It has been exceptional. And so here in this community, I could just drive up and have chemotherapy done and then drive home. And so it's just amazing to have that in a community. Even the ladies, when they check you in, they know your name. They're very friendly. They ask how you're doing. It's just a very kind place to be, and so very lucky that way. They set up a plan so that those people who routinely go, they only pay $2 for parking, and that's just exceptional. I couldn't ask for more from this hospital. I'm glad to work in the community, live in the community. I'm so glad we have a hospital of that quality in our community. We couldn't ask for more.